Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I Love You Lord Today. And guys, we're in the key of B flat, one of my favorite keys and one of my favorite songs. This was requested by Rita. Thank you so much, Rita, for giving us this awesome song to work on today. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of B flat. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, we have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we have the awesome Dewey Smith in the building to help us with this song. And we're going to just do as we always do. We're going to crack our knuckles. We're going to stretch them out. And I think we're ready. Let's receive Dewey Smith with I Love You, Lord, Today.
Say, my heart, my mind, my soul belongs to you. Come on, say it. My heart, my mind, my soul. Come on, my soul. You paid the price for me way back on Calvary. Come on, say that's why I'll lift you up and I'll magnify your name. Oh, that's why when I think of the Jesus, all he done for me, my soul cries out. That's why, that's why. Did he save you? Did he raise you? Did he heal you? Did he fill you? Did he sanctify you? You ought to say it. That's why. 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 Is your heart filled? Say that's why. That's the reason. That's the reason. Whoa.
That was I Love You, Lord, Today. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with I love you, I love you, I love you, Lord, today. Let me give you that. So we're starting out on the 1, regular B flat major chord. We're playing this passing chord. This is a regular F major chord. Love you. We're still on the 1. We're playing our E flat major chord. We're dropping down to the 7. I love you, Lord. And we're going right back to our F major chord today. Now we're on our B flat major chord on the 1. Because you cared for me in such a special way. All right, let me give you that. Okay, so we're going a passing chord on the 3. That's a C diminished 7 chord. Going to the 6, G minor chord. Now I'm just walking my 6 down to the 6 flat. And then now we're on our D augmented chord in our right hand. Walking on down, regular B flat major on the 5 and such. Now we're going to our 2 and we're playing this B flat 6 chord. Going up to our 5 flat and we're playing a C dominant 7 chord today. All right. What is that? That's just a regular C minor chord over the 5. We're playing this walk up. All right. What is that? 6. That's the E flat major chord. 7, F major chord. Back to our 1, regular B flat major chord. That's why I praise you, I lift you up, and I magnify your name. All right, let me give you that. All right, so we're going 1, that's a B flat major chord. I lift you up. That's a regular E flat major on the 1. We're playing this nice pass. All right, what is it? What is it? On our 6, we're playing a B flat major chord. Going to our 6 flat, playing an A major chord. Now we're doing our 5, 1, 4 progression. The 5 is this A flat 7. The 1, we're playing a B flat 13 chord. Resolve on our 4, B flat 6 chord. Alright, what is that? This first chord is an A flat 13 on the 7 flat. Alright, we're playing this beautiful chord right here on the 6 flat. Going to our 5, regular B flat major chord. That's why my heart is filled with praise. Alright, what is that? Our passing chord on the 6 is a F diminished 7. That's why my heart. We're going to our 2. That's an E flat 6 chord. Same E flat 6 over the 5 with praise. Regular B flat major chord on the 1. Now, at the end of the song, they always turn it around, right? So they go, that's why my heart is filled with praise. All right, let me give you that. The first chord is a 5. We're playing a B flat major chord. Hard. We're going to our 7. This is a 7-3-6 progression, guys. That's a C minor chord on the 7. We're playing our big G flat 7 flat 5 chord on the 3. Then we're going to our 6 and we're playing a regular G minor chord. Alright, I know you've heard this before, right? Alright, that's essentially what we're doing. We're playing on our 2, we're playing this beautiful chord. Going to our 3, we're playing a B flat major chord. Going right here back to this, it's almost like an A flat dominant 7 chord. And we're resolving on our 5. And the rest is the same thing that we already learned earlier. Alright guys, I hope this was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the candy apple classroom. Growing up, I learned the value of $1 not from a textbook, but from a weathered, old black truck and boxes of sweet, sticky candy apples. My grandparents, with their endless wisdom and patience, ran our family business, a mobile candy apple stand, and they believed in teaching my brother and me life lessons the old-fashioned way. We were a mobile stationary business, sometimes setting up shop at a bustling football tailgate, and sometimes riding through neighborhoods looking for customers. It was at these games and on these streets that my grandparents' lessons really came to life. Okay, Grandma would say, holding out a $5 bill. Someone wants 2 big apples, the dollar ones. How much change do you give them back? My mind would race, the numbers swirling, until I finally blurt out, $3, Grandma? A wide smile would spread across her face, followed by a proud, that's right, grandson. After our lessons, my brother and I would climb into the back of the truck, the smell of sugar filling the air. As Granddad drove slowly, we'd hold up our glistening treasures, yelling at the top of our lungs, "Get your candy apples, 50 cents for the small ones and $1 for the big ones." This wasn't just about selling candy. It was a master class in practical education. My grandparents taught us that a strong work ethic and honesty are the foundation of success. They showed us that the best way to learn is by doing, by handling real money, interacting with real customers, and understanding simple, elegant logic of a transaction. Their lessons weren't abstract. They were tangible, immediate, and forever etched in my memory. They taught me that true knowledge isn't just about what you know, but what you can do. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and joining me on today. And Rita, thank you again for giving us that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video I tell you that we are on the road to, yeah, I heard you say it, 1 million. We're on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. Guys, reaching 1 million cannot be done without you. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you could hit that bell because the video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, I believe you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit the subscribe and you just hit the bell. Guys, you have just made my day. You know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.